What's up YouTube? It's your girl Navinci and I'm back with another video, and it is time again. It is time for a maintenance day. As you can see, nails are missing, hair is chewed, edges is curly. Like, it is time to get rid of this and get right. So let's get into it.
Alright, Cheese Squad, I'm back, and you know, your girl had to get right, had to wash my hair. As you can see, it's still in my quick weave style. I just took the quick weave out, washed my scalp, scrubbed it, and then I washed my leave out too, because I don't know, I didn't like the full, how much times I flat ironed it. And after a while, the past few days, I have not flattened it, touched up or nothing. I was like, let me just take it out. But I wanted to just skip fast forward from the cap and stuff like that, because I feel like that shit was really pointless. So I'm about to do, this is a DIY maintenance, okay? DIY maintenance. Last maintenance vlog was more so I paid a girl do my hair, paid a girl do my nails, and now I'm doing my nails and my hair today by myself. The only thing I am a little worried about is it's a little bulky right here, and compared to this side, because of the braids on this side versus the braids on this side. These ones are a little bit bigger. But as you can see, I got my girl right here. She's overly tea. Got my girl right there. She's, prepping, bleaching the knots, but I am about to wash her out. My wig cap is laid. As you can see, it's giving bald, it's giving scalp, okay, period. And then we're gonna get into, I'm gonna take y'all with me to go wash out the hair, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. I'm going to be using the Shimmer Lights blonde shampoo to do that. And I actually took a wig 101 class with my girl Janae Allen, period. Shout out to her, my girl Janae Allen, and she told me every time to use this, wash it out, wash the developer and the bleach and stuff out with the Shimmer Lights toner shampoo. So I'm about to do that I'll show y'all. Anyways, let's go. As you can see, she is definitely ready to be washed. She's blonding at the root. And let's just get into it. Very full, very thick, and very much giving the length that it's supposed to be.
Alright y'all, so now it's time to get into actually watching the bleach off of the hair. So the bleach that I use is the blue bleach with 40 volume developer. That way it does bleach the knots and lift the color of the knots a little bit faster. I am rinsing it off with lukewarm water, and before I go on my shampoo, I want to just try to get all of that bleach off. And then when I do put it on, I just really lather it up. When it turns purple, that means there is still some of the bleach in the lace and on the knots. So you really just want to keep washing it and rinsing it until it turns white. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. And as you can see, as I'm washing throughout the hair, I'm really just looking for the knots to get rid of that brassy kind of color, because that is the color that we do not want. We don't want the brassy tone, that brassy orange tone, to be on the knots. So I'm just making sure that I'm rinsing it out really good, rinsing it out thoroughly. This is the first wash. I believe I did do 2 washes, but this first wash is really gonna try and get rid of some of that bleach. And this is what the lace is starting to look like. As you can see, it's giving scalp already. I just want to continue to get rid of some of those orange tones, so I'm going to go back in with a second wash, and that's what I'm doing here. Just putting more of it on the lace, really lathering it up. As you can see, it's still turning purple. So I kept doing this until the soap or the suds started to turn white. So after finishing the amount of washes that I did, it is all ready. She is giving scalp, she is giving tea, she's giving everything that she's supposed to be. So now we're ready for the install.
All right, y'all, she is plucked, as you need to be put on. She is tea, she is giving, she is full, she is. Now I'm literally about to just put her on my head to see how she fits, cut the sides off, and yeah.
So now I'm just adding makeup to the lace, and the makeup that I use, I do get from the beauty supply store. It's just a regular old contour palette, and I'm just taking the contour that matches my skin shade the most. That way when I do put it on, it matches my skin color. It's ready to get melted, she's ready to get slayed. And yeah, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just putting her on my head and making sure that she fits. We're seeing which angles we want to do, cutting off extra lace. That way a girl can see, because that lace, it be coming mad long, especially if it's a 13x6. That lace be OD long. But yeah, I'm just cutting on my ear tabs, and I like to cut my ear tabs a little bit extra so that when I do my side baby hairs, it's not like a short lace part on it, if that makes sense. And then I'll also cut off the lace that is on the back. You know, when you get a wig, there's lace on the front, and then there's like a lace part that is in the back. I cut that off because I don't like the itchy feeling that it gives. But as you can see, she is ready to be slayed, honey. Like, she is ready. Now I'm just going in with my wax stick, which is also from the beauty supply store. Most of the products that I'm using in this video is literally from the beauty supply store, down to the hot comb, okay? And I'm just hot combing it back. That way I can see the hairline. I can see where the ball cap starts. I can see where the hairline of the wig starts. And when I do lay down my glue and put the wig on, I can have like a clear vision of where I'm putting the lace, where the glue is, where the excess glue is, and etc. That way we can just make the install as efficient as possible. We don't want no mistakes. Like, we gotta make sure that this wig is tea. So when putting your lace on, you want to make sure that when you apply the glue, you're applying the glue on the cap and as well as to your forehead. And before I started applying the glue, I did wipe my forehead down with a little bit of oil just to remove those excess oils and really help the glue stick, as well as the wig stick to my skin more. As a person with oily skin and as somebody who sweats a lot, I feel like cleaning with alcohol is the best option. And then I did cut myself while applying my glue because my dumb ass decided to use a razor to apply my glue, knowing that wasn't the most efficient option. So I had to stop and go get a band-aid, but that didn't stop nothing. We came back, and of course I'm still using the same thing, but I end up switching to like just a little what's it called, just a hair clip. I don't know why I gotta get more of those wooden chopsticks that are disposable for when it comes to applying lace glue, because I wouldn't have cut myself if I had the right materials. But y'all already know, you know, black people. I like to go in with the blow dryer to try and get some of that whiteness like dried a little bit, because when you really want to apply the lace glue when it's clear, but it kind of doesn't matter. I just like to make sure that it's a little dry so that way it's the more sticky, if that makes sense. So when I am applying my lace to the glue, I make sure to apply it a little bit below where the glue is, and if there's needed for excess glue, I can just go in and apply it as I'm doing here. My right side, I believe my left side, needed a little bit more glue to just be held down, and that's exactly what I'm doing here, just ensuring that those corners and edges are exactly what they're supposed to be. And she's already giving scalp before we even apply the band, and y'all already know, band for an hour, it's a must. That's how you get scalp, which you see here. Now I'm going in with my ebon lace melt, and I just apply some to my hand and apply by finger, and then when I'm done with that, I do go in and blow dry it. That way it, you know, like that way it just gives them more a scalp effect. When you apply the band after this step, it kind of makes it kind of like tacky. So to avoid that, you just want to take your blow dryer on a low cool setting, use a comb and really push that lace down to try and melt it to look as scalp as much as possible, because that is the goal. We don't want no lace showing. Now when it comes to edges, bear with me, I still am new to this, not true to this. So I just go in with my skinny pencil flat iron, and I do curl my edges. I push my hair back because I'm going for like a no part kind of look. So I push like the rest of the hair back with Gots to Be and brush it back with an edge brush. I cut out my edges, make sure that they're a good length for when I do go in and decide, like when I do go in and curl them and then decide to swoop my edges. I don't like them to be too short, but then I also don't like them to be too long and dramatic. So I feel like these are like the perfect length for me, especially as someone who's like still kind of getting used to the whole edges thing. I'm still learning, I'm still like applying new methods, and I did use mousse here when I usually do use edge control, but I should have just used edge control, because when I tell you, getting this one little bitty edge to just lay down and look how I wanted it to look took forever. Like, it felt like it literally took forever. I had to keep redoing it. I'm like, oh my gosh, at this point I'm messing them up. Now eventually your girl did have to get a better view, and I switched from the mousse to the edge control just to fix my edges. As you can see, I had to go in the bathroom and really get right. All right besties, I'm back, and now we're about to just finish up our day, our maintenance day. As you can see, hair is laid and slayed. Okay, purr.
Now like I just showed y'all the video of the custom nails I'll be doing. I did get these from Shein. I love press-ons because in the last DIY, well, in the last maintenance vlog, you seen me go get my nails done. Those nails, no shade to her, only lasted about like a week. And like, first of all, my left thumb popped off, and then it was like, I think it was this finger that popped off next. So at that point I was like, F it, like, this is why I love my press-ons, and I'm gonna show y'all how I get my press-ons to last. And yeah, like, let's get right into it. So all you'll need for real is a nail file and nail glue of choice. So first, you want to just start by filing your nails just to get rid of all the, you know, like all the oil and stuff on the top layer. That way it helps the nail glue stick to the nail bed a little bit more when you put the press-on on. And I'm gonna just do this really quickly. Get all that oil off. And then from the previous appointment, she did give me like a little nail pack, a buffer, and some hand lotion, which I will be using to do well at the end of this video. And I'm also going to be pushing my cuticles back. I don't have a cuticle cutter, so we're going to be leaving our cuticles alone today. Okay, honey? And this is what they should look like. Freshly filed nails, period. I'm gonna go to the other hand. Okay, now that our nails are freshly filed, it's time to put our press-ons. I'm gonna be starting with the pinky first and then work my way up. That way, you know, like like your thumb and stuff is the one that you need the most. So I like to do those last. That way, just in case, like just for over, and it fits perfectly. I did get size medium off of Shein just because the small ones, they be a little too small and them shits be tight on my nails, and I don't got time for it. So now we're just taking our nail glue and putting like 2 to 3 drops on the nail, and then put it here and just hold for about a few seconds, like quite literally, like just hold. And then yeah, we have our pinky now. Now I'm gonna just do the rest. And these are what my nails look like now that I put my press-ons on, and they are just like so tea-like. Period. And that concludes my DIY maintenance day vlog video. Thank you guys for tuning in so much. And this video was just to show y'all that I am a versatile girly, okay? So sometimes I feel like going to pay somebody to get my hair and nails done, but don't get it confused because your girl can also do it here at home herself. I really hope this video was kind of informational for you guys, especially when it came to the wig part. As you can see, we scalped her. We definitely did scalp her, and she's like not going nowhere. And then our nails are overly tea, and I think for the next DIY video I probably will include like a little lash tutorial. I just have to get a new lash cluster set. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, okay, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.